佢呢度咧就係話 this is a lot square foot method except that it takes height as well。佢計埋嗰個高度啊。咁咧呢個就係用cubic foot 啦。咁另外咧第三個咧係 quantity survey method。記得 quantity survey 咧就即係話我哋逐件計喎，sorry 係逐件嗱。Method is a detailed estimate of a labour 同 material， 即係例如話我哋要計呢一度嘅話咧，我哋就逐埲牆同佢計，逐個門同佢計，逐個窗同佢計。咁然之後
計埋人工嘅喎。
係啦，計埋人工計埋料喎，即係話整個窗係100蚊，整埲牆係200蚊，咁啊整眼燈係100蚊，咁如是者咧將啲嘢加晒佢。嗱 survey 咧即係查啊嘛 ，quantity 即係我哋逐個數計啊嘛。咁咯，最後呢個咧就 unit in place。咩叫 unit in place 咧？就即是話咧，假設一個大 building 咁樣，咁我哋計咗整一個 unit 係要10萬，咁一個大 building 係100個單位嘅，咁所以咪100乘10咁係啦。咁佢嗰個 cost 係咁。咁當然我話一個 unit 點解係10萬，咁你咪再同佢逐樣計咯。咁呢4個咧其實就即係話用 cost approach 我哋可以咁樣計，咁嘅意思啫。咁 depreciation 就係咁啦。depreciation